Hi, my name is George, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about LifeGauge Breeze, how it works, the benefits, and why so many people are talking about it right now. If you've ever tried to relax at home, watch your favorite series, or simply enjoy some quiet time but couldn't escape uncomfortable heat or cold temperatures, stay with me for a moment. Before we go any further, let me make one small, honest agreement with you. If at the end of this video you don't feel LifeGauge Breeze is right for you, just say no. No pressure at all. But if you do like what you see and it makes sense for your home and your budget, let's agree you'll take action today instead of putting it off. Fair deal? So what is LifeGauge Breeze and why are so many people adding it to their homes? LifeGauge Breeze is a compact, portable climate control device designed to help keep your space more comfortable throughout the year, with cooling and heating functions in one convenient unit. It can help create a fresher, more comfortable atmosphere during hot days and provide additional warmth when temperatures drop. Instead of relying on complicated installations or separate devices, LifeGauge Breeze combines convenient temperature control with portability, allowing you to move it from room to room whenever you need it. It features simple controls, multiple operating modes, a remote control, and an energy-saving eco mode, making everyday use practical and convenient. Thousands of households have already made LifeGauge Breeze part of their daily routine, especially people looking for a flexible way to improve their comfort at home. Of course, every room and every person is different. Some people may notice a more comfortable feeling within the first few minutes of using the device, but the overall experience can vary depending on the room size, temperature, and conditions of the space. What surprised me the most wasn't just the cooling or heating, it was the convenience it brought. I could relax, enjoy my favorite series at night, work comfortably during the day, and easily move the device whenever I needed it in another room. There was no complicated installation, just a practical solution that fit easily into real life. That's why LifeGauge Breeze comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. You're not asked to believe promises. You simply try it in your own space and see how it fits into your routine. I made this video for one simple reason: to share something that genuinely made everyday temperature control more convenient and comfortable for me. And because when a product becomes popular, low-quality imitations can appear, which is why it's important to be careful where you buy it. If you decide to try LifeGauge Breeze, use it according to the instructions and choose the operating mode that best fits your room and your needs. The device is designed with multiple functions, safety features, and convenient controls to make everyday operation simple and practical. Your experience is personal, but solutions that make temperature control easier without complicated installation are the ones that can create a more comfortable daily routine. That's why so many people choose to keep LifeGauge Breeze as part of their home. If this resonates with you, the official link is right below this video, in the description and the first pinned comment. Take this step for yourself and make your home feel more comfortable, cooler when you need it, warmer when temperatures drop, and easier to enjoy throughout the year.